And I let her win a couple things. Actually, I got a few, so y'all stay tuned.
You're gonna give me directions? Nice. I didn't know you was gonna do that.
What's good, sneakerhead shoe enthusiasts and YouTubers? It's your boy Rod. Yep. These are going to my daughter. She's turning 3. I don't know exactly when these released. I know they released recently. These were a little more suitable than the other black cats that they have in the size because it has a little pink on it. She loves the color pink. This would be good for her to wear. Pretty good leather on these. For it to be a toddler size, the leather is pretty dope. Little Jumpman on there. I think these are pretty dope. Okay, so you got suede tongue, suede around that lower upper area. Little cat eye. If y'all don't know that already, that represents the cat eye. You can see it's a cat inside of there. I think it's a panther. Look to the bottom. Another cat. These are sitting heavy too. You know, they sitting. What y'all think about these? Cop drop. Do you have a pair of these? Sorry if I sound funny. I've been beating Ella in this Nintendo Switch thing. We've been going at it. Tennis, the samurai swords, racing, all kind of stuff. That was a cop pair of shoes too. I think these are too much justice. Probably need like this. This free run thing. Yep. Well, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I wouldn't even think about you. Hey man, y'all like, subscribe, comment, leave a message, all that good stuff, man. Keep praying, keep putting God first. You'll keep winning. Prepare for victory. It's your boy Rod.